Wife, mom, life. Wife, mom, life. She's the wife of Jeremy Collins. She's the mother of 5, and they are her life. Wife, mom, life with Mone't.
Hey, it's Saturday. Guys, it's March 1st. Can you believe it? It is March 1st. It's 4:57. Y'all see the sun glowing? Just a glowing. It look like it's hot, right? Nope, it's not. It is not. And it's acting like it wants to snow again. But anywho, of course, got booger snot in the car. Just picked her up from work. Wanted to be like her mother and eat some ice cream. Wanna be. She used her own money this time, thank God. But then don't tell me I gotta pay a $750 deposit today.
Yeah, man.
I'm tired of her.
It's not even me.
I'm tired of her. I am tired of her.
I think we need to start a GoFundMe for the school activity.
No. You just need to get you a job.
I got a job.
Making millions a day.
Well, I don't got that job yet.
Figure it out. Anywho, I have been a jitney all day today.
What that mean?
Driving everybody around. She's getting honored.
You want church?
So she had to go and do her headshots for the event and then had to go do a recording. Nope, I had to take Anthony to his orientation first because he got a job too. So he had to go to his Chick-fil-A orientation. Everybody had to leave the house at the same time because they all had to be somewhere at 10 o'clock. Anthony got dropped off first because he was the furthest. Had to come back into the city, drop Jermaine off. He had to play for some church. They wasn't even there. It's 9:40. Y'all service started at 10 o'clock. Why y'all ain't there yet? So I was like, yo, you got to tell them we got to drop your daughter off because I can't have her late. Drop her off. I sent Alex with her because you know she the baby. Can't have her out in these streets by herself. Baby.
I'm getting older now, so.
She the baby. She the baby. So he goes with her so he can get some content for her. I don't know what he got, but dropped Jermaine off. Went back to get Anita. Ended up having a Zoom call for the senator I forgot about. So on that call, about time Anita came out, the meeting wrapped. Ended up going back home for a little bit. Didn't have to pick Jermaine up, thank God. Girl, I'm honking. I mean, stop. Go home. I had to get some grants done for taking it to the streets. So, executive director, so I got to get this stuff done, right? Yeah. So, it's a whole nother grant I got to go get done for that. And for the church. What else did I do? And some other stuff I had to get out. Forgot I had. Nope. It's time to go pick Anthony up. Picked Anthony up. Forgot I had a 1 o'clock meeting with a client for their father's husband. I don't know if it's the father or the husband. Girl, I don't know. His birthday party. So I had to meet with them, get some paperwork, get my money, of course. I almost forgot all about that. This boy better be calling him and see if he telling him to get his butt down to Genesee. Went back to the house, finished doing some stuff. This one called and said she ready. I forgot Jermaine and I have a birthday dinner to go to tonight for one of the judges. The city judge. Is she a city judge or? No, I don't think she's a city judge. I think
Let's
she's
go.
the next
Are you down the street?
level up. But anyway, we got her birthday party to go to tonight. I have nothing to wear. Okay? Nothing to wear. And of course, he ain't here.
Oh, there you go. He was gone for a minute.
He left at the house down the street. Then, yeah. Then I had to leave to come pick this one up from work. Got me some Anderson's ice cream, and then as I'm waiting for my ice cream to be delivered to my hand, Anthony texts me at 4:50 talking about he got to be at his group, because they're going to the Sabres game today at 5 o'clock. Excuse me? Sir, when did you find this out? Because I know you ain't find this out before now.
Wait, so they supposed to be taking them to the Sabres game?
They're going to the Sabres game today. But somebody had to do some stuff before they go. But I'm like, you knew way before 5 o'clock. You had to be there at 5 o'clock. I'm over it. But that's today.
Dog, it's been a lot. I cried. I was crying yesterday.
She always crying.
I was crying yesterday at church. At first it was the Holy Spirit, and then mommy texted in a group chat, and it was just so much going on at one time. So then I just started crying. I'm just like, God, what is you doing? Because sometimes don't y'all just get like, God need to stop, or God need to warn, or God need to let me know what He doing. Or
no, because you get mad, they tell you stop.
I don't, but this time I was just like, are you do you really think I can handle this right now? Like, it was already a rough week, y'all. I had so much, like, between me starting the job and then me actually doing schoolwork at school and getting it done on time, y'all, it drained me. But God is still good. We're gonna go to church tomorrow, and we're gonna
Here comes Mr.
hear
Inconvenience.
the word of the Lord.
And then he gonna try and send me a screenshot of an email from Tuesday that said be there at 6. I said, no, I want to know when they told you about this change, because I know they didn't tell you at 4:50.
He said that they sent the email out, but his emails go to my junk.
You should be checking your email daily.
This will get on my nerves daily. Outside of her.
I'm in the lead. We gotta go. The bus leaves at 5:15.
Me and AJ gonna have to share a car. Well,
Hold up.
Tasty. You want this still?
Now he want to rush me. I'm tired of this church.
and now I gotta go home and do schoolwork.
What time you supposed to get picked up?
10.
I gotta go home and do schoolwork now because
Schoolwork and laundry.
I got a freaking SAT on Friday.
You're about right.
No, that was your fault.
But
You should have been took it. You wanted
no,
to keep
that was
pushing
the
it off.
SAT. This is the first SAT.
You good, man.
And it was like, you can take it. People taking it in June and July, but I'm like, no, absolutely not. I'm taking it now, and I'm taking it at my school. So I got that on Friday. Y'all pray for me. Keep me in y'all prayers, because I need some strength from the Lord.
She needs some tissue for her nose. All right, guys, we are here at the party to party. Here we go, God. Get me strength. Get me strength. Let's go. Hold on. You gotta get it full. Your fingers in the way.
No.
This is what we got going on. Okay, got the big blouse. I don't know why my shirt trying to cling to my pants. But this is what we looking like. Look at the power couple. You're so silly.
How y'all doing? While the music is low, you know, once it get going, just not come on.
She got a village.
All right.
And we could not argue.
Well, but I know I wouldn't have. I wouldn't have thought nothing. No.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought no. But y'all take that coat off. Get a picture. I get a picture. I get a picture of everybody coming in.
I got you.
All right.
How you doing? Hi.
Okay, we're gonna get this party started. We're honoring our own Tiffany Berry.
Thank you so much. Good cold Sunday morning. It is March 2nd, 2025. We are here in this cold. Kaylee got the Bibles. Brother Nita, Sister Nita, Brother AJ. Guys, we had this this Caucasian man seen us walking. He was like, do you and your family need a ride? No, we're good. We're almost there. Jermaine just called, cussing me out.
We ain't homeless, y'all.
Because we walking. I'm like, listen, it is what it is. These Buffalo streets messed up my son's car. Y'all know we normally would just be in the car with him. But it's all right. God gonna bless us with another vehicle. Well, he gonna get his car fixed. I'm claiming the city of Buffalo gonna fix his car. But in the meantime, we're gonna get us a second vehicle. In the event something happens to Kevin's car, we already have another vehicle. So, but y'all know me. Make it do what it do. I'm not inconvenienced because I don't have a vehicle. We ain't doing that. Gonna make it do what it do. Right, baby Kaylee? We on assignment. I gotta get my baby survivals. Cause I'm excited. Even in the cold, KK. So of course, you know, we're on the way. Anita asked me where he got his mask from. Hello. I'm coming in because I forgot I had to grab some stuff. Don't do that. Don't. You see me coming first. Don't do that because you hear my girl, Kaylee. Listen, because you ain't going to push my KK out the way. But we're here at Walmart because Brother A, oh, it's not that packed in here. It's not that packed at all. That parking lot look like it's crazy packed. She said they are doing birthdays next week.
I know. I'm saying I don't know what she said about cake. I don't know what she said.
Oh, well, no, because you asked me for icing.
I know, but that's not what I was talking about. I was talking about for selling.
For what?
Selling it so I can get my money.
I know, but they're doing cupcakes next week. That's what I'm talking about.
But I've been asking. That's why.
Kaylee getting on my nerves. Al, watch out, because she can't see over the bend. Well, you moving all fast and you can't see. You hit my son.
I just told her she need to move because she's about to hit you and Kaylee.
Get her, Nita. They better leave Anita alone. Anita got an attitude. No, Al. That's what you want for dinner?
We got this dinner.
This is what Anita wants for dinner. That's what you want? Go ahead. Go ahead. Get you some veggie lasagna. Lasagna. eat California pizza.
I eat California pizza every time I go to Atlanta because of my other money. And I love my other money because I love their pizza and it's very
Chicken
good.
cheese pizza. Oh, they do have Chuck E. Cheese pizza. They don't have no pepperoni though.
Can we please go to Chuck E. Cheese?
Are you whining? You go. They're getting on my nerves, guys. Alright, so now we're at Wegmans. I'm gonna leave them kids in the car because they've been acting up all the day with one another, especially Anthony and Kaylee. I don't know what's going on, but I know Mother is tired of hearing it. Called Jermaine and told him I'm leaving his kids right here. He said leave them. Alex said, and you stay right where you at. Excuse me? Oh no. They're losing it. They are losing their minds. So they're gonna go home and sit in the middle of the living room floor in a circle, holding hands. Watch.
Wife, mom, life.